Hey everybody, we're here in Crosstown, Missouri. Here at my great-grandpa John C. Steve and Mary Jane Steve's tombstone here. This graveyard at County Road 350 and Highway C. This is where the tornado came through. You see that church over there? The tornado kind of come across the top of there and did some little bit of structural damage on that steeple area, and then it came on across. And right here at my great-grandpa's tombstone, about 10 foot in front of it, just a little before that brush pile, the tornado touched down and swirled down through towards that little gray building there, down that direction. And then it went on and proceeded down through there and down a road, Red Rock Road, also known as County Road 350. All these little buildings in here, they have a crosstown picnic, I think about once a year. And this is where that picnic takes place at. All right, we'll go down County Road 350 and see how it's looking now all these years after the tornado hit. I guess I better take the emergency brake off, huh? See that new home right there? There was a big store, big brick building there that it totally got demolished. It was called Earl Farr's, Fararr store. Back in the day when my dad lived in this area, he was just a kid. He went to that store one time and he told me he'd come out there and smeared some ice cream on the window, and Mr. Farr didn't take too kindly of it. Come out and tanned his hide a little bit. All right, here's County Road 350. You can go to the right. There's also a conservation area down here called Red Rock Conservation Area. Here, I believe this pond was called the Mill Pond. Back in the day, there was a little girl drowned in there. Bethlehem Baptist Church. Looks like that tree there still got some evidence that it got twisted up. This was a mess through here. There was debris everywhere. I was down here right after it happened and viewed the area, and it really was a disaster through here. This is where my great-grandpa that I just showed you, that tombstone there, he lived down this road back in the day. That house there had some damage to it. It's like they really did a good job of rebuilding that. It just kind of, the tornado just kind of followed this road, just curved with the road, every which curve, and took out houses on both sides. I'm guessing a lot of them never did rebuild. Hey, puppy. Guess he wants to bite my tires. Burning Rhines, old place. Looks like a lot of them are still putting in new garages and driveways and stuff after all these years. And a big oak tree, you can tell that was twisted. These trees were a mess. It looks like they really cut down a lot of the bigger ones. Up there, that's where my great-grandpa's house was at, right there. And the tornado actually just kind of curved around here and went on down to the river, and there wasn't really much as far as houses down this way back then, so it that was kind of the end of the major damage in through there. Through here and went on all the way down to the river, to the area there they call Red Rock Conservation Area, and then it crossed over the river into Illinois. And people in Illinois was actually finding photos and whatnot over there. Siamese cat. Here's a little creek. It's called the Omete Creek. O-M-E-T-E. Entering State Conservation Area. Red Rock Landing. Right over there's the Mississippi River. Now that's kind of a little floodplain right there, but the river's a little further on. Back in the day, you could drive right down to the river, but now they've got it gated off here where you can't. Camping area. All right, I guess we've seen pretty much what we're going to see down this road.